poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We back up in this thing with another video. And today I got something special for you all. Over the summer, man, one of our local homegrown talents, Kristopher Kites, really launched a jewelry line, man, that's just really been taking, pop culture, the sneaker culture, the style culture, streetwear culture by storm, man. My man just really did this incredible job of kind of taking, kind of childhood relics, all your favorite, cartoons or action figures, and turn that into, masterpieces, works of art, man. Chris Kites did the chain, baby. But I had the opportunity to go to, his very first pop-up shop, here in Chicago over the summer, man. And, I wanted to kind of take it back, man. We call this like a throwback Thursday/Friday, whatever we do. But, for any of you out there, YouTube, that's just kind of been curious with the movement, man. My man been coming about Vogue. We had a pop-up at Sneaker Con. Did a lot of great things, man. I wanted to show him some love and give you all an inside look at, man, the collection, how it came about. Starting with, the very first pop-up here, hometown Chicago. So I don't want to do too much talking. We're gonna get right into this vlog. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it in the comment box. And of course, if you're watching this video, you checking in with your boy right now, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Join the family, baby. You already know. All right, let's get it. me a little bit, like, what is this space, man? What's the congruent space?
Congruent space is just, it's a retail integrating art and fashion. So we do a lot of installations where we, showcase a lot of emerging designers and artists. You know what I'm saying? So it's something for the culture, something new, something innovative. Like, Chris Kite, his designs is very, very different. And even the way it's presented, it's just the whole experience in general. So that's what we try to offer here.
Hey, dope, man, dope.
Yeah, man. It's all cardboard. And it was actually done by Kerry, who's actually the one who did the A$AP Rocky Testing album cover.
Right.
So he did this, presented that. And then back here where we're standing right now was pretty much the black hole. So we blacked out the whole room. And actually it showcased this artist right here. So when you walk up to the wall, it like actually kind of like glows. The light goes back to the art. So as far as installation, that's what we try to do here. The one that we actually did that everyone should know was the Joe Freshgoods beauty supply pop-up, where we actually dyed sand like pink and green to go with a Stone Island hoodies, which is this joint right here. And there was a pulley system where you could actually pull the actual hoodies down. So again, emerging, designers and artists that we collab with showcase their stuff in a very artistic, innovative way. So that's kind of an example of what we do. This one was pretty nuts too with the installation. It was real grass, real packing peanuts. Check out the Instagram, it's Congruent Space.
Definitely, we gotta check that out. Appreciate it, bro.
Yep.
Yeah.
You said these are
Boy, Chris Kites jewelry collection, man. Based on the action figures, melded into plastic. This is such a dope concept. And just, another Chicago creative, man. Thinking outside the box, creating something dope. We got the Incredible Hulk here. You've probably seen this guy in Vogue somewhere, man. Pretty dope. Of course, you got my boy Bruce Wayne, man. Dope. Who know who this is? Y'all comment in that comment box, y'all know who that is. Remember when I had that guy? Dope. It's dope, man. Alright, man. So we got Wolverine in the building. This is quite literally my favorite, X-Men of all time, man. Looking pretty dope, pretty badass joint. It's kind of lighter than I expected it to be, man. But definitely dope piece. Chicago creatives. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know, man. Is this the go? It's the way to go? Y'all feeling it? We know Vogue is. I think it's pretty dope, man. Pretty creative. Now let me know in that comment box. Let's get it. Alright, gang. So that was the space. Wolverine in the building. Pretty dope. We're gonna get back to the joint. You know what time it is. It's recap time. Gang, let's get it. Yo, so y'all let me know, man. We dope. You know what I'm saying? Y'all messing with the collection? Y'all messing with the jewelry? You know what I'm saying? What y'all think, baby? You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm very proud of the homie, you know what I'm saying, Chris Kites, man. It's always good, to kind of see, Chicago creators doing their thing, man. He's definitely taking off. I'm probably definitely gonna go ahead and scoop up, a piece in the near future. I got a particular idea for one of those chains. You know what I'm saying? Your boy Q the Flu. We gotta have our eyes gotta be special. We gotta be super exclusive with it. But I got an idea, man. So me and Chris, we can work that out. Y'all see that real soon, man. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about the pop-up, how y'all feel about the vlog. And again, if you loving what I'm doing, baby, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Yo, and fuck with your boy in the comments, man. We reply back over here, you know what I'm saying? Also, you probably see the Chicago native, hoodie your boy got on, man. This is kind of created and designed by one of my, Chicago homies, Wani Worldwide. He runs like the sneakerhead food haven, you know what I'm saying, every Saturdays at Nini's Deli, Chicago, man. I kind of put a picture, you know what I'm saying, his Instagram information somewhere in the video, man. Y'all check it out, man. Any Chicago natives do a lot of dope designs, a lot of dope clothing, man. That's definitely on the rise too. We show love to the crib around here, Flu Gang TV, man. But as always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rockin' around here. Gang, 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 gang.
This Chicago.